Hello, everybody. In the business world, we have many kinds of unstructured data, meeting notes, customer emails, internal wikis. It's everywhere. Historically, we just consume those information as they are. Sometimes we wish that we could put the extracted information neatly into tables, because that will allow us to better track things and to perform analysis and then derive more value out of the data. In this episode, I just want to show you like AI can help you accomplish that. We're going to turn a messy web page into perfectly organized data. So let's dive in. Today's example, we are going to use OpenAI's pricing page. You can see on the pricing page, there are different models, and this is for inference, for training, fine-tuning, and suppose that I'm interested in this data and I want to extract structured output from the raw web page and then use that for maybe analysis. In this exercise, I'm going to use Google's Gemini, and here are some initial setup. So just import some packages. This is where I initiate my model. I use Gemini 2.5 Pro model. So the most important part is here. So I need to define the pedantic models. Those pedantic models basically tells the language model the structure of the data that I expect to get. So here we have a class called pricing, and the pricing different fields. And then for each field, I have a description of the field. So the description will help the model to understand what to put into each of the field. Okay, and of course you have whether it's mandatory or optional. Okay, and then equally important is this second class. The second class is a list of the first class. The reason is there are a lot of models, so then we will need to get a lot of individual prices for the model. The pedantic model is defined. We just use this with structured output method and basically give this template or the blueprint to the large language model, and then we will get a new object here, and then this object will give us the structured output that we want. So here I just read the markdown file. So this is a markdown file that I from that pricing page. You can see that's the structured output I get, and from here I can convert everything into a CSV for the further analysis. And I use this method a lot in my day-to-day work, so this is very valuable. And then so is actually also trying to roll out a new method. This is new as of now, as of today. Content is incomplete and subject to change. But if you take a quick look at it, so here the new method will allow you to whether use a function call capability or use their native APIs for the structured output. Currently, OpenAI and Grok has that capability, but to give you more choices. And I think that's pretty neat. Yeah. Okay. If you guys are interested, I can record another episode about this. Okay. I hope this episode show you the power of a simple technique, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.